back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Dominic, Chef Dom is here today. Hey, today we're going to show you how to make a modern lasagna. Lasagna Bolognese. It originated in Emilia-Romagna, northern Italy, by Bologna. Anyway, we're going to show you how to make this lasagna for less than $5 a person. And it's so easy to prepare. This is a great entree for any party. This lasagna here is going to feed probably about 25 people.
Or maybe just 10 of us.
Actually, 20 Italians, 20 Italians and 30 regular people. Anyway, we're going to show you how to make this magnificent feast. All right, let's get cooking.
Looks good. Hey guys, hope everybody had a good 4th of July. We're gonna do a lasagna bolognese with a béchamel sauce. We got onions, garlic, celery, carrots, bay leaves, tomatoes, red wine, salt and pepper, of course, and ground beef.
That's it.
Put a little olive oil in there.
Ragu alla bolognese.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this in.
What we do with those carrots and celery, we shredded them, so this way it kind of blends well with the tomato. You don't have chunks of carrots or celery in it.
Too much noise on the... You don't want to brown these, you want to, still let clear. That's what I said. And we're going to go ahead and put our bay leaves in there. You don't want to put too much, these are pretty strong, you know.
All right, this is actually from Bologna, Italy. It's the northern part of Italy.
Bologna?
Or as Mom would say, Italy.
Instead of Italy.
I know, Miss Mama. Anyway.
All right, we're going to put our ground beef in there. What is this, Paul? Ground chuck or?
It's chuck, 80-20.
That's the best flavor.
Great for hamburgers, too.
Hamburgers. I'm going to drop a little vino in here, too. I'm going to get some salt and pepper in there. Paul will let you know how much salt I put in there.
I'll have the full recipe in the description.
It smells good already, man.
All right, how's that meat? Ready?
It's ready.
All right.
Beautiful. Took only about 10 minutes to cook. Nice. Put this off to the side. Now Paul's gonna do the batch.
Actually, you gotta cook.
Oh yeah, that's right. Erase that.
Put the thing back up.
All right. We got a couple of cans of Cento crushed tomatoes in here. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there, and then we're gonna let this cook for another, I don't know,
30 minutes.
Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful.
All right, now while this is cooking, I'm going to start on the béchamel sauce. All right, now we're going to start your basic béchamel sauce. This was actually invented by Marquis Béchamel. He's from France. He's actually a general for Louis XIV. Anyway, we're going to start out with 2 sticks of butter here. Let this melt down real nice. I got this on a medium-low heat right here. And this sauce can actually be used for any type of cream dish. All right, let's melt them down real nice. You want to be real careful. You don't want to burn this butter. All right, almost there. All right, now we're going to add a cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour. You can use all-purpose or bread flour. You want to continuously stir this.
You don't want to burn it, just round it just a little bit.
Yeah, about 1 or 2 minutes you want to cook it.
And it also gives it a nice nutty flavor when you broil it.
Now we're going to slowly pour regular milk into this pot here, about a cup at a time. Mix that around. Now you want to go ahead and increase it to a medium-high just to get it boiling. Now once it comes to a boil, we'll reduce it to medium-low again and just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of salt and about a ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. You don't want to put too much of that in there because it definitely overpowers the sauce. All right, now once this comes to a boil, we'll go ahead and reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 more minutes. How's that bolognese? Oh my God.
Almost ready.
It looks
maybe 10 more minutes, not even.
unbelievable.
Beautiful. It smells so good.
Oh my God. All right, this is starting to come to a boil. Once it does, we're going to go ahead and lower it to a simmer, but see how it's getting thicker. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and reduce this to a medium low and let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Look how nice this is thickening up. Just about 5 more minutes, and then this will be ready to go, nice and thick. All right, the béchamel is ready. Let's give it a taste test. Perfect. We're gonna sprinkle Parmesan cheese over each layer also to complement the béchamel. It's gonna be wonderful. All right, we have all of our ingredients ready to go to whip this lasagna into place. I went ahead and got some pasta sheets for this recipe. Stopped at Jimmy's, and he sells these pasta sheets out there, and went ahead and got a nice mozzarella provolone blend for the layers as well. Man, you know, anyway, Mike was telling me over at Jimmy's that they sold 4,000 lasagnas the month of December for Christmas.
Trays of lasagna?
Yeah, 4,000. All right, we're gonna go ahead and layer the bottom here with the béchamel. Oh man, you know, we have like 3 or 4. Actually, this is our 4th lasagna video. Look at that, there, perfect. We'll put a couple of extra on the bottom here so they don't burn. All right, now we're going to start with the bolognese. Spread that out evenly. All right, now we'll put some mozzarella on there. Just a little bit on there. We're gonna have lots of layers of mozzarella cheese. You know, most of lasagna recipes have ricotta, or as we call it, ricotta cheese in it. But this here is just a different way to make it, and it's very, very flavorful. And then on the layers in between, you just want to put 2 sheets. Now, I'm gonna have the recipe in the description for this lasagna, but if you want to make a half pan, just cut the recipe in half. It'd be good to go. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put the béchamel in this layer.
You're going to see why it's going to take an hour.
Put some Parmesan.
That's a lot of lasagna is going to weigh 25 pounds.
Oh, easy, easy. All right, put some Romano or Reggiano Parmesan, and now we're going to put some mozzarella provolone, nice and evenly. Next layer. Perfecto. All right, top it off with the béchamel. Looking good. All right, some more mozzarella. I'll put that cheese on there, Dominic. Put that on there. Beautiful. Top the rest of it off with some mozzarella. All right.
Let's see.
How many pounds is that thing?
20 pounds.
Holy
What did I tell you, man? Maybe more.
All right, we're going to show you a little trick on how to cook lasagna. I mean, this is a method to actually hold all that moisture in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to first cover it with plastic wrap. It will not burn as long as you cover the plastic wrap with the foil, aluminum foil. All right, that's on there. Now we're going to cover the rest of it with foil. I think one more sheet in the middle. That will be good. Beauty. All right, now we're gonna let this cook. I went ahead and preheated the oven to 425 degrees. I want to let this cook for about 60 minutes.
Oh, looks like it might be ready. It's been there for about an hour and 20 minutes. I think this baby's ready.
Look at that, beautiful. See that?
Now that's a work of a work of art. Beauty.
Oh man, look at that lasagna, baby. All right, we're gonna cut into this little lasagna here.
Little lasagna. The longer it sets, the better it'll be. Like,
yeah. Oh, look at that lasagna.
Don't be bashful. Throw it on there, man.
Nobody's bashful here. We're eating. Oh, look at that lasagna. Oh, man. All right, let's give it the old taste test.
Perfect.
How is it?
Oh my God.
Look at that lasagna.
It's unbelievable.
Oh, my God. Beautiful. It tastes as good as it smells, boy. We're looking good. Delicious.
Perfect.
The pasta sheets really make this dish. Now, if you can't find pasta sheets, you can use the dehydrated noodles. Those will work just fine. Anyway, we'll have this recipe on our website, and we'll put a little link in the description of this video to get there. And also, if you guys want to get one of these Brooklyn Brothers shirts, we have them on our website as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we will see you guys next recipe.